Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Of all, you need to plug in the bootable USB drive in your system. After that, you need to restart your computer. You have to enter your BIOS or basic input output system. So here I am putting my codes, hit enter. Most of the cases, entering the BIOS is a delete button or F10 or even escape button. So here is my list, my system, my startup menu. Here I can say F10 is my BIOS setup menu. By pressing F10 I can enter the BIOS. So here I am. In your case it may be different, so watch your motherboard manual.
First, go to BIOS and set your USB drive as a first priority of booting. After setting that, press F10 to save the changes. Now, your computer will start automatically after that, and you have to do some settings. So follow my steps. Select your version. Don't worry, every one of the version is quite same, but some difference. We will talk about that in later my videos. So after selecting your version, click on next, then click on I accept terms and conditions and click on OK. Select on upgrade and select the particular disk whether you want to install your operating system. So after selecting on this, clicking on format and format the whole drive and clicking on OK. This is a time lengthy process, so don't panic and wait till the end. And of course your computer may restart several times in this process, so don't worry.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So this is some basic settings you can do with your own. I think as like Android, you need to select the language, the connection, etc, etc. Let's skip for now, just a moment.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Windows is installed successfully, and hit the like and subscribe button and bell icon as well. So goodbye and take care.